Hi guys, welcome back to my unboxing obsession. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching unboxings of all sorts of monthly boxes out there, then you are more than welcome to come and subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit that notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you will be notified and you will miss a thing. Well guys, I am back with the box. I will be unboxing the September box. The reason why it is so late is because for some reason I always receive this box at the end of the month, and I was a little busy the beginning of the month, so I am just doing the video now. So with that said guys, I will go ahead and get started, and everything that you need to know about this monthly subscription box, description box down below for you guys. Okay, so with that said guys, let's get started. Again, this is the box by Fashionsta, and this is their September box guys. I really love this box. I love receiving this box every single month. You receive skincare, and you also receive some makeup as well. So this is my information card. It says here that my retail value for my whole box is $131. Ooh, so excited. Look how pretty it is. I love how the black and white packaging is so nice, and it goes with everything. The colors, I love black and white together. So guys, let's get started. The first item that I am going to pull out my box is going to be this here. So this is it says here it's a revitalizing algae clay mask. So this is going to tighten your skin, is going to renew, and it is also going to restore. And I believe it's from the says here from the brand Blue Beauty. This mask guys retails for $39. And this is what it looks like. So nice, and it is heavy. It is very heavy. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, can't wait to use this. So with this item guys, and it's always it's vegan and cruelty free. Just with this item here, you have paid for your box and still have a lot left over. Like, you almost paid for this box like twice. Next up, we have this item here. So this is going to be, this is a Last Splash Cosmetics. Yes, so this is a Wickedly Divine eyeliner. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness, look how pretty this is. And I don't know why. Okay, there we go. My camera was not focusing. Ooh, this is so beautiful. I love it. And this retails guys for $16. Look how pretty that is. It is gold. This is, ooh, look at that. It's beautiful. I love it. I can't wait to use it, especially now for the holidays. We have the holidays like right around the corner. Next up, we have, which I was dying to see this. Ooh, look at this. So this is going to be, this is their, hold on guys, I got a little sidetrack here because I don't see it. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so this is the Kaylin Wow, the old Wow brush. This retails for $32. So it says here, get a beautiful seamless airbrush effect with an immaculate streak-free touch, featuring a dome angular shape surface that is crafted to blend foundation, powder, cream, moisturizer, and primers. And of course, it is cruelty-free. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look at this guys. So it has a cover. Look at this. Oh, this is like super soft guys. Oh my goodness, it is so so soft. Wow, so soft. I love how the angle, how it has the angle, and it brings the cap with it. That is pretty cool. Next up, guys, we have, this is a Kiss and Mink, and this is going to be, is the everything, and it is $20. It's a multi-purpose cream. It's a cream stick. Ooh, and of course it's vegan and cruelty free. Okay. Ooh, I love the color. So that is my color there. Ooh, how pretty is this? Love the color. And of course, I will use this for my cheeks. I will use this for my lips. Even as eyeshadow. I will use this as eyeshadow too. I will use this for everything, and I think that is why it's called the everything. So nice. And this retails for $20. Next up, we have this here, and this is from Sistine, and this is an eye mask. It retails for $10. It has retinol, collagen. It's good for puffy eyes, dark circles, crow's feet, and wrinkles. And of course, it's vegan and cruelty free, guys. And last, we have this here. So this is from State Makeup, and this is just a taste palette, and it retails for $14. And of course, it's vegan and cruelty free as well. Here we go. Ooh, these colors for the fall are beautiful. And it's like so light and compact. Like you can just literally, you can just throw this in your bag and you with a brush, and you're like good to go. Look how pretty those colors are. I love the colors. I want to swatch this one just because it is like so pretty. Guys, look at that color for fall now, and look how nice it looks with the gold eyeliner and with the cream stick. That looks beautiful. Such a beautiful combination. I love it. I can't wait to use this. So that was my last item in this box, guys. Again, I will leave you all the information. I will also leave you a link just to make it easier for yourself, so you can go, if you like what you see, you are more than welcome to go ahead and subscribe. By subscribing using my link, I earn points that I am able to use at their store, which is always a good thing for me. So make sure that if you like and you are not subscribed, please use my link. And with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.